At the pond. Row, row. Do you see the pond? Yup, there it is.
Come on, everybody. Let's go find Sparky.
Look, it's Daisy Duck.
Hiya, Daisy.
Hi there, boys.
We're looking for Donald's lost lion.
You know, Sparky.
Oh, him. He makes such a loud sound.
Do you remember what sound Sparky makes?
Roar, roar.
That's right. I remember Donald came by.
Hello, Daisy.
Donald Duck. My sunglasses are still somewhere in the pond. I guess they're lost.
Maybe Sparky fell into the pond too.
I look for Sparky. I'm Daisy's glasses. I can't see a thing.
Maybe one of our mouse-ka-tools can help us look underwater. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
This is the Maryland Department of Emergency Management with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you in an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
A microphone, a ladder, a snorkel and mask, or the mystery mouse-ka-tool. Which one can we use to look underwater? The snorkel and mask. Right! We got ears. Say cheers! Let's all put our masks on and look for Daisy's sunglasses.
And Sparky, too.
Do you see Daisy's sunglasses? Oh, where? Yeah, there they are.
Yeah, I got him.
Good work, everybody.